Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to restart a course on Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you're trying to reset your progress, here's how. Alright, so first of all, launch the Duolingo app on your phone. And after that, go to your profile section. And here, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. And after that, tap on the course section. Tap on the course, then select or remove to reset the progress. Alright, so are you sure? Be careful during the course, get rid of all of your progress and cannot be undone. Just remove the course. And after that, you can now continue a new course. Start with the lesson 1 and start a progress. Alright, so that's it. Now you know how to restart your Duolingo course. If you have any issues, let me know. Thanks for watching and take care.